Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools and equipment for all your needs. Today, we're talking about the VEVOR pressure washer pump, widely regarded as the best Craftsman pressure washer pump on the market. Whether you're tackling everyday cleaning tasks or major projects, this powerful pump delivers incredible performance and reliability. The VEVOR pressure washer pump boasts an impressive pressure range of 2,500 to 3,400 psi and a maximum water flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute, making it perfect for cleaning everything from walls and sidewalks to vehicles and fences. Its versatile 3/4-inch shaft horizontal design means it's compatible with a wide range of pressure washers, including popular brands like Honda, Simpson, Ryobi, Briggs & Stratton, Subaru, and Craftsman, so you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. One of the standout features of this pump is its easy installation process. The kit includes everything you need, from mounting hardware to a nozzle needle and a siphon tube. The pump is designed for a quick and hassle-free setup, ensuring you get to work right away. In just a few minutes, you can have your pressure washer up and running, making it an ideal replacement for old or malfunctioning pumps. Maintenance is another area where this pump excels. It features a maintenance-free crankcase, so you don't have to worry about constant oil changes or upkeep. This not only saves you time and effort but also helps extend the life of your pump, giving you more value for your money. Additionally, the pump's metal shaft sleeve prevents oil leakage, ensuring the durability of its seals and components. Performance-wise, the VEVOR pressure washer pump makes cold starts a breeze. You don't need to release pressure before starting the engine, which means you can get your pressure washer running smoothly with minimal effort. Its sturdy construction and high-quality materials, including stainless steel, ensure that it's built to last, even with regular use. If you're looking for a reliable, cost-effective replacement for your pressure washer, the VEVOR pressure washer pump is the perfect choice. Not only does it save you money compared to buying a whole new pressure washer, but it also offers superior performance, ease of use, and long-lasting durability. This is the perfect solution for anyone who needs a high-performance pump that can handle tough cleaning jobs, day in and day out. So, if you're in the market for a powerful, reliable, and easy-to-use pressure washer pump, the VEVOR pressure washer pump is the one to consider. Stay tuned for more reviews and product critiques right here on Product Critique.